Hi everyone, Donut here. Do I have quite the video for you tonight? It's going to be a short one because I think this clip deserves its own video because I'm the only person to have it and have permission to share it. That's right, for the first time in history, I will be the first person to put a cop tasing a pig on the internet. There is a backstory to this. YouTube, please, this was not animal cruelty. Hear me out. It's a small town. The owner and the police officer have been chasing this pig for 45 minutes. Every time they would get close to it, it would shoot off into the road and almost cause a car to wreck. The owner tells the police officer, just shoot it. The police officer says, I'm not gonna shoot the pig. What if we get close enough and I can tase it and you catch it? The pig was tased, it was caught, it didn't run out in front of a car and die, the cop didn't shoot it, it's a-okay after this. Pigs are just really loud and make a lot of noise, he's okay. A few days ago I posted on Twitter, I asked people what the name of this video should be. Some of my favorite ones were Fatricide and Fatrified, the art of cooking on the job, Two Pigs and a Donut, Cop tases partner, Police caught on tape hazing colleague, Wilbur goes for a lightning ride, Leo recap friendly fire, pork buzz buzz, horrible friendly fire incident caught on video, graphic. Anyways, that's some of the titles you guys came up with. I'm sure the comments are going to be lovely down below. Without further ado, here you go.
Oh, here's the truck. Yeah. All right. Get it. Get her. Get her. Get her. Pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up. You got her? Hold her tight. Hold her. Hold her. Hold her. Hold her. You want to get in my car? Come get in my car. Come on, hold on to her.
Well everyone, that's all I have for tonight. You can still get 20% off at donutoperator.com. I'm going to be streaming over at twitch.tv/donutoperator where you can use your Amazon Prime account to subscribe to me for free. Other than that, please have a fantastic day. Straight